Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Parkside silent compressor, the model PSKO 248B1. Particularly quiet two-cylinder motor compared to conventional compressors. Definitely I will test that. Power consumption 1100 watts. Sound pressure level 71.9 decibel. Operating pressure adjustable up to 8 bar. Tank capacity 24 liters with 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Okay. We have the wheels inside and we need to assemble the wheels left and right with this handle that goes from this side. Include we have in the manual. We have this supporting foot. We can install that here. The drain screw here. And we need to install the wheels. Perfect. And we have in the cover. There's the first wheel. The same I need to do and for the second wheel. And one cover here. Perfect. And then I need to install and the handle. That goes here. 2 washers. And then I need to install this filter. It is the air filter and it goes here. Remove this cover and install the air filter. Inside there's the filter. You can remove the filter and clean it. Silicone rubber. Perfect. Now with the handle and the wheels you can move around freely without a problem. I like that. Here we have the power cord. 3 meters the length, very convenient. Obviously this is the 2-cylinder motor. When it's working, it's transferring the air through this flexible tube at the 24-liter tank and then goes at this unit. It is the on-off switch. You can turn it on or off. Here we have the regulator. You can adjust. At the back it is the safety valve. Let me show you. There is the safety valve. Here we have the pressure gauge set pressure and the pressure gauge vessel pressure. And here it is the outlet quick coupling. You can connect any accessory you want. And it locks. pull to unlock. So easy. With one hand. And you can use this tire inflator for your tires or any other accessory. Of course, it has its limits because it is only 24 liters. You can use all the air tools. So have this in mind, which tool you will buy, or consider to buy a larger air compressor, maybe with 50 liters. I have made a video for the larger air compressor, you can check right in the corner after the end of this video. It is a robust unit, I like it, it feels very well made. So let's plug it in, fill up with air and then test it. Definitely I will test and the sound levels. The only thing that we need to do, pull this lever. Wow, it is so quiet! Just love it! And let's see how long it will take to fill up with air. It is totally empty. That was all! How cool is that? Just love it! I mean, the sound, it is so low. Maximum 65 decibel. Measuring with my two smartphones. Amazing! And it's not too hot. Only at this area, at these tubes. Wow! Unbelievable. Let's connect that. Let's see the regulator, how it works. And we have the measurement for PSI and bar. PSI is the red and the blue bar. 180 maximum PSI and 12 bar. Now let's see if I can refill this flat tire with air in the correct measurement. If the noise of a traditional compressor has always kept you from working in your garage late at night, or if you just need a quieter solution for painting or airbrushing indoors, this is a fantastic piece of kit. You are getting powerful 1100 watts, 2-cylinder motor, pushing out a maximum pressure of 8 bar, all into the 24-liter tank. The best part, of course, is the noise. We measured the sound pressure level at around 65 decibel. Which for a compressor of this size and capability is genuinely quiet. It's oil-free, so maintenance is minimal, and the effective delivery rate makes it suitable for inflating tires, blowing down dust, and powering many smaller pneumatic tools like nailers and staplers. It's a great all-rounder for the home workshop or professional garage. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more honest tool reviews and workshop tips. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next build.